Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. My 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and is uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Updates. Xrp, a prominent market analyst, has identified a bullish crossover on the XRP Average Sentiment Oscillator (ASO) indicator for the first time in over 2 years, signaling a significant rally anticipated over the next 275 days. To provide some context, the Average Sentiment Oscillator is a market indicator that assesses the average percentage values of bullish and bearish sentiments. It comprises a blue line representing the bulls and a red line symbolizing the bears. The dominant sentiment is indicated by the line with the higher value. Xrp has previously highlighted the significance of this indicator in XRP's price movements dating back to 2017. The ASO indicator has consistently proven to be a reliable signal for predicting XRP's future trend direction. Xrp's initial report on this pattern was issued on February 25. At that time, the analyst emphasized 2 instances where the indicator accurately signaled XRP price surges and declines through bullish and bearish crossovers. A bullish crossover occurs when the blue line crosses above the red line, while a bearish crossover happens when the red line crosses above the blue line. Xrp's data reveals that XRP experienced a bullish crossover in March 2017 when it was trading in the range of $0.00525 to $0.02254. Subsequently, following this bullish crossover, XRP embarked on a substantial rally, ultimately reaching an all-time high of $3.31 in January 2018. However, in September 2018, the ASO indicator witnessed a bearish crossover, leading to a decline in XRP's value to $0.1747 by December 2019. Another bullish crossover occurred shortly after, propelling XRP to the $1.96 price range in April 2021. Unfortunately, this rally was short-lived as a bearish crossover in May caused a subsequent price drop. XRP has remained in a bearish phase since then, with Xrp's February report indicating that the ASO indicator was approaching a third bullish crossover. When Xrp first disclosed this information, the gap between the red and blue lines was still notably wide. As the gap gradually narrowed, the analyst provided periodic updates to the analysis. The most recent update confirms that the gap has now closed, with the ASO indicator signaling a bullish crossover. Xrp also noted that historically, it has taken an average of 275 days, or roughly 9 months, for XRP to reach the peak of its bull run after each crossover. Based on this estimate, he suggests that market participants may witness a substantial price surge for XRP over the next 7 to 10 months. While Xrp did not specify a precise price target in his latest post, he had previously made a price projection. In one of his updates to the February report, Xrp predicted that XRP could potentially rally by 28,250% when the crossover occurs, which, at the time, equated to $149. In the short term, XRP is currently trading above the 61 cents range, with the asset changing hands at $0.6147, marking a 1.87% increase in the last 24 hours. However, trade volume has decreased by 35% in the same timeframe, currently standing at $1,092,004. Xrp New News Update. XRP, the native token of Ripple, has been causing quite a stir in the cryptocurrency market. Contrary to earlier predictions, XRP's price has surged to 60 cents and has held a bullish position for 3 consecutive days. This upward trajectory is supported by key market indicators such as the 20-day exponential moving average, EMA, and a robust relative strength index, RSI, indicating a prevailing positive sentiment. However, it's important to keep in mind the inherent volatility of the crypto market, which leaves room for potential downturns. In the event of a bearish trend, XRP could potentially dip below 55 cents, with a potential target around the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, at 50 cents. Interestingly, there is a buzz circulating within the XRP community regarding the coin's potential if it were to tap into a fraction of the $100 trillion derivatives market. Some enthusiasts believe that capturing just 10% of this market could send XRP's price skyrocketing to $1,896. This speculative notion gained traction following Ripple's collaboration with the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, ISDA, in August. However, it's worth noting that Mason Veslaus, a prominent member of the XRP community, has recently emphasized the distinction between money flowing into and through an asset. He highlights the significance of trading volume over market capitalization. Despite a recent decrease in overall trading volume, XRP continues to maintain a strong position, boasting a trading volume of approximately $1.27 billion. This solidifies its position as the third largest cryptocurrency in terms of trading volume, trailing behind only Bitcoin and Ethereum. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, XRP's unique position, supported by its regulatory clarity and robust trading volume, indicates a promising future. Its potential in the derivatives market and sustained investor interest could position XRP as a pivotal player in the next phase of the cryptocurrency industry. Xrp New News Update. Recent legal developments have raised questions regarding the evidence presented by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to Judge Annalisa Torres in the ongoing XRP case. The SEC asserts that institutional investors in XRP have suffered financial harm, sparking debates about the credibility of their argument. The focus of this discussion revolves around the equitable remedy, which aims to compensate victims rather than granting an unexpected windfall to the SEC or the government, as articulated by a prominent U.S. attorney. An emerging consensus suggests that XRP holders may not have experienced significant losses attributable to Ripple, with some arguing that the SEC's case lacks substantial grounds. This perspective gains traction when referencing previous legal precedents, such as the notable SEC versus Govil case. The SEC faces challenging stages ahead, particularly in the remedies phase. During this stage, the SEC must establish that XRP investors genuinely suffered financial losses due to their investments and that Ripple can be held accountable. This task is expected to be complex, as legal experts point out that investors who acquired Ripple at a price lower than its current market value may not have incurred substantial financial harm. The SEC's case against Ripple is founded on the need for regulatory clarity within the cryptocurrency space, aiming to propel the industry toward clearer guidelines. The ongoing legal battle between the SEC and Ripple has the potential to lead to more comprehensive regulations in the cryptocurrency market. This legal development not only has immediate implications for XRP investors and Ripple, but also sets a precedent that could shape how regulatory bodies approach cryptocurrency cases in the future, influencing the legal landscape of the crypto industry. Xrp New News Updates. Ripple's status as one of the top cryptocurrencies in the market remains uncontested, regardless of whether the cryptocurrency community is in favor of it or not. Despite experiencing months of price decline, Ripple's project still stands out as a token with significant adoption potential. This is the reason why investors continue to maintain a bullish outlook on XRP, even if it has not met the initial expectations. Speculation surrounding the possibility of XRP reaching record high prices has been circulating within the cryptocurrency market. This surge in optimism has been driven by Ripple's recent successes in its legal battle against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, as they pursue a settlement. The partial resolution of the dispute has led to a notable recovery in the price of Ripple and has further solidified investors' positive sentiments regarding the project's future. Numerous projections have suggested that XRP could potentially reach $3, but persistent obstacles have thus far prevented Ripple from achieving this milestone. With the latest developments in the legal proceedings, investors are increasingly hopeful that a comprehensive resolution to the long-standing legal dispute could pave the way for new all-time highs for Ripple. Xrp New News Updates. Recently, there have been reports of statements attributed to Arthur Britto, one of Ripple's co-founders, that have ignited discussions about a potential surge in XRP's price. Britto is said to have made an extremely bullish prediction for XRP, suggesting it could reach a price of $10,000, which has piqued the interest of many in the XRP community. These claims were shared by CryptoGeek, at CryptoGeek News, a notable crypto news source, which posted Britto's supposed belief that XRP was designed to trade at $10,000. However, It's important to note that these claims lack a reliable source to substantiate them. While they have garnered significant attention and discussion, there is no documented instance of Brito making such a bold prediction. Arthur Brito tends to maintain a low profile and is not very active on his XRP-related account. Consequently, he is not as widely recognized as other prominent Ripple founders, such as Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Larson, and Jed McCaleb. The earliest mention of Brito discussing XRP's potential to reach $10,000 can be traced back to a 2019 YouTube video, which claims that he made this prediction in 2017. In the video, YouTuber Mark Collins emphasizes the importance of increasing XRP liquidity and suggests that this could lead to higher prices. He also envisions XRP being used to tokenize various asset classes, which could potentially drive its price beyond $10,000. There have been other predictions of XRP reaching $10,000 from sources other than Brito. For instance, a well-known crypto analyst, Lord Xrp, at Bit4Coins, has described XRP at $10,000 as a logical conclusion. Lord Xrp's prediction is based on XRP's potential to capture a more substantial share of the payments sector, particularly if it becomes a major facilitator of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. This prediction draws a comparison between Ripple and established traditional payment giants like Western Union and SWIFT by examining their market capitalizations. Lord Xrp contends that if Ripple can gain a larger portion of the total payments sector, which is currently valued at around $2.7 quadrillion, XRP's price might indeed surge to $10,000. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has also expressed his belief that XRP could rival Bitcoin and potentially reach $10,000. However, it's important to note that not everyone shares this optimistic outlook. Some experts consider reaching $10,000 a challenging target and describe it as unrealistic and overly optimistic, while others do not anticipate XRP surpassing that threshold. The price of cryptocurrencies is subject to various factors and market dynamics, making such predictions highly speculative. Xrp New News Updates. The cryptocurrency community is currently buzzing with a mixture of optimism and caution regarding rumors of potential engagement between Google and the XRP ledger, XRPL. Edo Farina, the CEO of Alpha Lions Academy and head of social adoption at Xrp Healthcare, recently posted a screenshot on X, formerly Twitter, revealing data about computers running nodes on the XRPL, along with their associated IP addresses. Notably, the list included an IP address purportedly hosted by the US tech giant Google, with Google LLC also listed as an Internet Service Provider, ISP. Based on the data presented, Farina concluded that Google was running XRPL nodes, drawing a parallel with Microsoft, a global leader in computer software that operates an XRPL validator node through its Azure Blockchain as a Service, BaaS, offering. Farina's speculation about Google's involvement in XRPL triggered excitement within the XRP community, as many members hope that Google's participation could elevate XRP's standing in the cryptocurrency market. However, the community's response has been mixed, with some members expressing doubts and seeking to provide more clarity on the data presented in the screenshot. A prominent XRPL ambassador named Daniel responded to the post, noting that the IP address believed to be owned by Google was, in fact, associated with the Google Cloud platform. He suggested that this IP address likely resulted from someone running Ripple on Google Cloud's infrastructure, indicating that it may not necessarily reflect direct involvement by Google. The speculation about Google's potential connection to the XRPL highlights the keen interest and hopes within the XRP community for partnerships or collaborations that could positively impact the cryptocurrency's position and adoption in the market. However, as with many rumors in the cryptocurrency space, it's essential to exercise caution and await official confirmation or further details to determine the extent of Google's involvement, if any, with the XRP ledger. Xrp New News Updates. Evernode, a Layer 2 smart contract solution built on the XRP ledger, has provided an update on its launch plans. The platform has set its launch target date for November 27th. To celebrate the launch of this smart contract platform, Evernode has announced an airdrop for XRP investors who hold a significant amount of EVERs. A total of 5,160,960 EVERs will be distributed to XRP holders who have a minimum of 50,000 XRP tokens in their XRPL wallets. These EVAs will be sent to XRP holders' Zaho wallets. In addition to the airdrop, Evernode has introduced some changes for the upcoming beta tester airdrop. There will be a 500 EVAs fee for registration, and beta hosts will receive a full gift during the platform's launch. This announcement reflects Evernode's commitment to engaging and rewarding XRP investors as it launches its smart contract solution on the XRP ledger. The airdrop is intended to incentivize and promote the use of the platform among the XRP community. Xrp New News Updates. Prominent crypto lawyer John E. Deaton has shared his perspective on Ripple Labs' ongoing lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. He firmly believes that any potential settlement amounting to $20 million or less would constitute a significant legal victory for Ripple. Deaton expressed his disagreement with the notion that the lawsuit's outcome was a 50-50 victory for the SEC. Instead, he emphasized that it leaned heavily in Ripple's favor, more like a 90-10 split. According to Deaton, if Ripple ends up paying $20 million or less in a settlement, it would be a 99.9% legal victory for the company. Deaton's viewpoint aligns with the sentiment within the cryptocurrency community, which generally sees a proposed $20 million settlement as a favorable outcome for Ripple. This is due to the potential implications of the XRP lawsuit and the broader regulatory landscape concerning cryptocurrencies. Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's chief legal officer, also contributed to this narrative by highlighting another legal setback for the SEC. He mentioned a recent decision by the Second Circuit in SEC versus Govil, which held that the SEC cannot seek a substantial disgorgement award without first proving that investors suffered actual financial harm. In essence, no harm, no foul. Ripple has been embroiled in a legal battle with the SEC since December 2020, when the SEC filed a lawsuit alleging that the company conducted an unregistered securities offering through the sale of XRP, its native cryptocurrency. The lawsuit sought to classify XRP as a security and claimed that Ripple should have registered its token sales with the SEC. This lawsuit had significant implications for the regulation of digital assets in the United States. The legal landscape shifted when Judge Annalisa Torres determined that XRP was not a security when traded on a secondary marketplace. Additionally, charges against Ripple executives were dropped during the course of the lawsuit. Judge Torres recently approved an order related to the SEC and Ripple's request to propose a briefing schedule to discuss institutional sales of XRP, a segment of the lawsuit where the company was found to have violated securities laws. The parties have been directed to submit a joint briefing schedule by November 9. Xrp New News Update. The recent Second Circuit decision in the Govil lawsuit has implications for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in its ongoing case against Ripple, particularly in the remedies stage. XRP attorneys have shared their insights on the impact of the Govil ruling on the XRP lawsuit's remedies stage. Stuart Alderoty, Ripple's chief legal officer, CLO, highlighted the SEC's recent loss in the Aaron Govil case and explained that the Second Circuit's ruling means that the SEC cannot seek a substantial disgorgement unless it can prove that investors suffered actual financial losses. This ruling has raised significant questions about the SEC's approach in the remedies phase of the XRP lawsuit. Jeremy Hogan, a prominent attorney supportive of XRP, confidently argued that individuals who purchased XRP at a price lower than its current market value of 61 cents may not have suffered any financial harm. This perspective suggests that the SEC might face challenges in proving financial harm during the remedies stage. The next phase in the XRP lawsuit is the remedies stage, which will focus on determining the appropriate monetary penalty for Ripple, specifically concerning its sales of $770 million worth of XRP to institutional investors. Bill Morgan, another well-known attorney, has also questioned the evidence the SEC has to demonstrate that institutional investors suffered financial harm due to their investments in XRP. The recent Govil ruling sets a precedent, and the SEC's track record of 3 consecutive losses against Ripple adds to the uncertainty about the SEC's position in the ongoing lawsuit. Some legal experts anticipate that the SEC will push for Ripple to pay a significant portion of the $770 million in sales as a fine, given the alleged violations. However, others believe that Ripple will seek to reduce the size of the fine during the remedies briefing. John Deaton, a prominent pro-XRP lawyer representing the XRP 75,000, has also shared his perspective on the potential timeline of the lawsuit and the mindset of each party as they enter the remedies phase. The remedies stage is expected to be a crucial phase in determining the outcome of the Xrp lawsuit. This completes the AI Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.